Hi, welcome back to our channel. This time we are going to learn how to solve some problems, puzzle in grade 3. So in grade 3 we will do the coding. In grade 3 we will solve some random puzzle in lesson 3 and lesson 4. So in lesson 3 it's about relay programming, and in lesson 4 it's about debugging with Laurel. So are you ready now? Can we start? So to start with, this is our browser. Look for your browser, the Google Chrome. Okay, are you with me now? So if you already bookmark your code.org in your computer, or you create a shortcut, all you need to do is to click the shortcut. So this is now our code.org. Next is to sign in. This time, okay, I will be in 3D. I will be in 3D. So for new student, you can create your account and you can use this site to write your username and your password. Then you can sign in after you create your account. But for us, we have already your account. We can use our code. So we have different code for our class. So this time I am using the K3D. It's grade 3D. Okay, so the grade 3D, the code is TJQWRH. So remember, each class has different code. So you can see your code at the upper part of your paper, the 6 letters, capital letters. That is your class code. So after you write your code, click go. So this time, because last time we already logged in our class, so no need to write our age. So this time we're in grade 3D. Click. My name is Debbie. So my secret password is this is my secret password. You have also different secret words. Click. After that, this time we are going to solve random problems, maybe 2 or 3 problems in the lesson. So this time we are going to do lesson number 3. This is relay programming, only a video, unplug activity. And number 4 is debugging with Laurel, that is a video plus 8 puzzle to solve. So to start with, click lesson number 3 and unplug activity. So click. So all you need to do is to watch the video, okay, and then listen and understand. So this is the video.
Hi, I'm Anna. Today we're going to do relay programming. It's all about programming under pressure and debugging the mistakes that sometimes happen when you work really quickly.
An introduction for our work, the next work. So after you finish that one, you can just click continue. So the video, I will leave it to you, and then go on to lesson number 4. Lesson number 4, this time, the first one is the introduction for the debugging. So click. So the video is 1.49 seconds. So all you need to do is to watch. That's it. After you finish watching, down here you can click continue. Click. Okay. So we will choose at least 3 puzzles to solve. Okay. Start with this one here. If you can see. Okay, if you can see, this one, it says here, this is this is our instruction how to do it. So it says that fix the errors to collect all the treasures. So how to collect? Okay, we need to, our goal is to collect 3. Okay, 3 gems. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. So what we're going to do, is this correct? No, it's not, because it's, if you do it, you can see nothing happened. You did not collect the gems. So what we're going to do is to check this one. We'll just throw this one in the bin somewhere here, and then after that we will use our loop. Here's the loop, right? You still remember? And if you count how many blocks, 1, 2, 3 have this same work to do, to move forward and to collect the gems. So move forward and then collect. How many times? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times. Click and then write number 3. So repeat 3 times. Do what? Do move forward and collect. So to start, run, and you're done. So you already collected all 3 items. So click finish, and lesson 4, number 2 is done. So we will move on to maybe lesson number 5. Okay, let's try lesson number 5. So we will start over. This one, it says there, fix the errors to collect all the treasure or the gems. We need to collect 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you look at the given code, is this correct? Move forward, collect, turn left. If you turn left, will go up, right? Move forward, so you will go up. So this code, this one, the gray color is wrong. What you need to do is to remove that code and we will check. So this one, move forward, collect, right? The next is you need to turn right, and then turn right, and then move forward, then collect. So you are here, move forward, collect, turn right, move forward, collect, then turn left, move forward, collect. So you are here now, right? Then turn where? Turn right again, and then move forward, then collect. If you can see, if you will check the given code, if you can compare to this one, it's different, right? So we use the workspace 12 out of 12. So let's try. So we collected all 4 gems. As easy as that. Okay, you know how to do it. So last puzzle we're going to solve. Puzzle number 9. Okay, the last puzzle, number 9. After this one, you have a challenge. So it says here, help Laurel fix the code to get all the treasure. Debugging, the lesson for debugging with Laurel is meaning to say you are checking the code so that it will perform the right duty, the right work of Laurel. So we will just put it here so that you will not be confused. So here, move forward, turn right, collect, move forward, turn left, move forward, collect. You understand? So let's try. Move forward, then we are here now. Turn right. Then when you turn right, you're still here. Then you need to move forward. You are here now, and then you collect. So you collect already this one. Okay. Now, how many times you need to collect the gems? So there are 5 gems, right? So instead of putting 1 collect only, you put it here and then put the looping, correct? So you need to put how many? 5. So repeat 5 times, do collect. After you collect this 5 treasure, you need to move forward. And then after you move forward, you turn left, and then move forward, and then move forward, and then collect gems. How many? 5. Okay, so move forward, turn right, move forward, repeat 5 times to do collect, then move forward, turn left, move forward, repeat 5 times, do collect. Let's try. Okay, as easy as that. So hope that you learned something this day, and it will help you solving your problems in lesson 4. And please watch our next tutorial video for the next lesson. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, Baby June 101, so that you will be updated in our new videos. And you can click your bell so that you will be notified for the new video, okay, coming. So enjoy solving the puzzle and have a nice day. Bye bye.